We're gonna go one last time. We're gonna try and GoPro mount this on the end of the jet ski. We're gonna try and just make this man fly, alright?
Yell out on the water.
If it don't involve money, then I don't accept.
Hey, what's good, vlog? We're back at it again.
What do we got? We got chicken.
We got some fried chicken.
We got some Gatorade, some Hawaiian rolls, a bean dip that it's already fucked up.
We're out on the reservoir today. It's kind of gloomy.
The lovely, dirty, murky,
Colorado Cherry Creek.
STD infested.
But it's the reservoir nonetheless. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna do some jet ski, a little tubing on a speedboat.
Yeah.
My mission today is to send Jim's flying out the freaking tube, bro.
If I drown, y'all know what happened.
If the GoPro gets lost in the water.
Somebody's gonna find it.
Yeah, someone's gonna find it. We're gonna go test the waters real quick.
Kind of empty right now, but it's all good.
Yeah, it's all good. I mean, more area for us to, you know, do our thing.
I'm actually kind of scared. What if it's cold? That's not bad. That's not bad.
Yeah,
I thought it was gonna be a lot colder.
No, we're good. And then we're gonna be jet skiing all over this.
Get that bird out of here. Look at that bird.
Hey, yo, that's our chicken.
That's your friend. I'm gonna eat one, bro. I'm kind of hungry.
Courtesy of King Soopers. Fuck churches, fuck punk pies. Unless you all want to sponsor gyms, you feel me? The only one you gotta worry about is Jollibee. Don't worry, Jim's is gonna franchise a Jollibee soon. Colorado.
Give me a few years. If y'all blow my shit up, I'm gonna make a Jollibee in Colorado.
Yes, sir.
Got that big ass. Ooh,
Ooh.
nice and buttery.
Y'all never had wine rolls before. Y'all missing out.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. You're good.
Yeah.
KFC, fuck you. That should be us in a little bit.
That's the new wave. Fuck rice, just kidding. Hawaiian rolls and chicken.
Take a Hawaiian roll, right? A little bit of meat in there.
Okay. Jim's is doing something. Jim's doing something.
TikTok. I started this trend.
Fuck it.
My hands are clean.
Ooh. Oh, mukbang. Okay. That gas though.
Gas. Bean dip, fried chicken, and Hawaiian roll.
Y'all heard it here first. TikTok, don't take this idea. Fuck you if you're taking this idea.
Two things I brought. Chest piece and some mics. So we got this twisted tea, and then we got the Mike's heart. So this is gonna be a fun time. No one's here, so we're about to go crazy. Cheers. That's good. Is this the fast one? Oh, yeah. It's shallow over here? Holy shit. I thought it was be like deep.
The thing is, we don't have an anchor for this one. So we kind of just have to like keep an eye on it. Yeah, this is the fast one. The other one's fast too though. I like the other one a lot also.
Alright, Gabe, you're the captain.
Anything for the vlog!
Oh shit! Hurricane Indonesia!
Never to be seen again.
That's right, right there!
Seen again.
That's what I'm talking about. You good? No, you good? No, it's crazy. In the Philippines, bro, higher. I was like, boom, boom. I was almost hitting my head on this thing, bro.
But it was the ocean, right?
Yeah, it was the ocean. You want to see some real speed, bitch?
To me, you're dead to me. You're dead to me. You're dead to me.
Fuck you, Popeye. I'm good, yeah. That shit was fun. Can I go backwards? I'll do it. Oh Better take a piss, yo. This is what you do.
What do you do when the date's not going that way?
What do you mean?
You know, when the date's not going that way with the girl?
What'd you say, bitch? I forgot my wallet.
Here, take it. Take it.
Get that head, get that bread, then leave. Peace out.
Let's get the 200 subscribers.
Yeah!
Damn, let's go ahead.
Ready? Hey, go easy on us, if you know what I'm saying.
Good luck, Jim's vlog.
Good luck.
Right after Jim.
Round two! Here we go! Oh shit! Oh!
Bro, that's scary.
Hey, no, it's not. This is scary. That was fun. Go. Yeah. Don't let go, Jack! Don't let go! There you go. Here we go! Oh, we're good. Come on, Raya! Come on! Let's go!
Oh, you got it! Ayana, say subscribe. Say subscribe to Jim's. No. Yo, stinker. Yeah. There's a girl. Say subscribe to Jim's. Say Jim's.
No.
Well, subscribe. We're gonna go one last time. We're gonna try and GoPro mount this on the end of the tip. We're gonna try to make this man fly, alright?
Yeah, right on the wall.
Then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept.
That's how we do it. That was so crazy. It takes the energy out of you for sure.
Just hanging on is half the part.
I know.
Oh shit.
I should be helping him, but I'm trying to get good footage. So he's got it. He's got it. Jimmy's got it.
I'm trying.
Yeah, this man held on for dear life.
It wasn't going that fast.
I wasn't trying to, but he still like, he fell off. That was the whole point.
Oh, bro. We're stuck, bro. It won't turn. You on the next video?
We have to listen for the double beeps, but it ain't double beeping. Bro, oh, there we go. That's what it is.
Like this.
Don't go too fast so that this doesn't go flying out of my hand, yo. He said he wants to throw me off, yo. I got the GoPro in my hand. How am I supposed to hold it? Subscribe to Master Jim! Subscribe! Subscribe to Master Jim! He drops videos every week!
Huh? Make it, we'll buy a boat. Buy all the boats. You know how that's gonna happen?
No. Subscribe to his channel. Subscribe to Master Jim right now. If this video goes to like 100,000, 500,000 views, if that happens, we'll buy a boat. Jim's will buy his own jet ski. And then we'll race. We're gonna race. Okay. Okay. Alright, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all right now. Like one of the hardest things to do is hold the GoPro while riding on the back of a jet ski. I'm like this, Chips wants to try and like make me fly off in this bitch, bro. Alright, this goes out to the viewers.
This man said he's gonna do a backflip.
Letting y'all know, subscribe to Rap Master Gyms, alright? Should I do a backflip or a front flip?
Or side flip.
Subscribe. Subscribe to Rap Master Gyms on YouTube. Get this man a whole bunch of likes, please.
Give me a boat.
Bro, my ass hurt. I hit the water so bad on my ass, man. Next time though.
Next time.
I'll learn how to do a backflip.
Yeah.
I'll do it for y'all.
In the comments, let him know how to do backflip.